dear customer, you can see we have 1, 2, 3 nobles. So why these 3 nobles here? So for this, it is for the upside down from this whole set stick label platform here, upside down. You can adjust the logo clockwise and anti-clockwise. So that's it. And for this, you can clockwise and anti-clockwise just for the backward and frontward. Backward and frontward. And for this noble, it is for the whole side device be left and right. Left and right. Okay, and this noble, it is adjust this round bottle device. For these 2 sides, it can be adjusted for the 2 sides to stick closer and far away. So that's it. And also, the same as this noble, it is for this sponges from closer each other and far away, have between gaps each other. You can clockwise and anti-clockwise to handle for this. When it is so tight, you can let it have more gaps to adjust here. So that's it.